It's about 10:30 a.m. It's still a little dark out, but we are going to drive about an hour and a half, hour 40 out of Reykjavik to go do the Golden Circle.
The problem we're facing is that there's a massive storm coming in, and it's supposed to be so bad that I got an email from the rental car company saying to be super careful, and all the weather agencies are sending out like these red alerts, and yeah, we decided to ignore all those warnings and drive 2 hours out. Hopefully we don't get stuck.
We have like 40 minutes left, and the weather is getting significantly worse and worse and worse. You can see a little bit in front of us, but now we look out the window and it's just white.
We already saw 1 or 2 cars like half off the side of the road that slipped or something. So we're driving really slow. So we just got to our first stop in the Golden Circle route, which is the Geysir. And apparently this is the geyser that gave its name to geysers worldwide. So if you've ever been to a geyser,
oh wow, you can see it.
It's basically gotten its name from this one.
Okay, we're here and we're waiting for it to erupt.
That's a beautiful commentary. I love it. Very matter of fact.
Okay, we're on our way to Gullfoss, the waterfall. The weather is starting to get significantly worse, so we're gonna try to make this quick and head back.
You know, I heard the weather agency say something about if we get more subscribers, we're less likely to get stuck. So do us a favor. Do us a favor and like smash that like button, hit comment, like, whatever, do all those things, you know, to do the notification bell. And that way we'll be safe on the streets. So we just got to the trailhead for the Gullfoss Waterfall. I don't actually know how far it is, but I don't think it's very far.
It's cold.
Yeah, it's cold and getting super windy. So this is it, guys. Gullfoss Waterfall. The most luminous in all of Iceland. Also the coolest, according to the guy at the restaurant. Yeah. Was it the restaurant? What was it called?
The restaurant.
Yeah, restaurant.
We said not to be out here for so long. Here we are.
Yeah, it's the weather. Tell us about this waterfall.
The guy told us that this is the best waterfall in Iceland.
The best, hands down, waterfall in Iceland.
And it is pretty sick.